channel. My name is Paige, and today you're going to be going inside of Burke's Outlet with me. We're going to be doing all of my Christmas shopping. Thank you so much to Burke's Outlet for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to be partnering up with one of my favorite places to shop and also my family's favorite place to shop as well. So let's go on in.
Sometimes it's distant, but never in heart. Such fine words and stuff, just about had enough. Come home and spend Christmas with me. Spend Christmas with me.
Popping in to let you guys know that this video is also in collaboration with my internet bestie Danielle from the channel Danielle Diaries. I will have her video and channel link down below. You guys are going to absolutely love her if you don't already. She's so real. I just love her, and she's also going to be doing an affordable gift guide video. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, so she's put together different gift sets, everything from the Dollar Tree. So if you are on a really strict budget this year, we're going to bring you a lot of affordable gift ideas. So make sure you check the link down below in the description box to go check her out. Let her know that I sent you.
Spend Christmas with me. All I ever wanted was for you to spend this Christmas with me.
They have a lot of bags to choose from here, and they're incredibly discounted. So if you don't want to spend a lot on a purse, Burke's is the place to go.
Stare in the dark, all alone. Stop this business, and for Christmas, come home. Spend Christmas with me. Spend Christmas with me. Spend Christmas with me. Spend Christmas with me. I know we did agree, but I've changed my mind, you see. Come home and spend Christmas with me. Come home and spend Christmas. Come home and spend Christmas. Come home and spend Christmas with me.
Please jingle with me, baby. I wanna get to know you better. Please jingle with me, darling. How much fun it's gonna be together. Now listen, why do I care how much it may snow? 'Cause I've got my love to keep me warm. And what do Christmas time, and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night, I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time.
They have a huge assortment of doggy toys, dog beds, dog essentials, all kinds of stuff in here. And our dogs go through toys. Mainly Rosie. She loves toys. She tears them up. One of her favorites, though, would have to be these that have little toys inside. So the idea is to push the toys inside, and it's going to keep them busy because they have to get them back out. But Lady loves these tiny little squeaky toys. So normally we get these for Lady. She really loves the little things inside. Let's grab one of these.
I try to figure this out, yes I did, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. Yeah. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, you keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Why you left something for me, yeah, under the Christmas tree. Baby, go home tonight. Oh, let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. I try to figure this out, but I never could. Oh, baby, come home tonight. Let me hold and squeeze you tight, 'cause it's Christmas time.
Okay guys, I'm so excited to show you all of the really affordable and very cute gift ideas that we got going on. You can definitely use these for male, female. I got a bunch of different stuff, so I hope that you guys are able to take some ideas from this when going out to do your holiday shopping. Socks are one of my favorite things in the world. I love fuzzy, soft, wonderful, cozy things, and I think socks make a great gift idea, not only for like stocking stuffers, but if you got somebody in your family that you just don't know what to get them, you can get them some socks and maybe a gift card or a candle or all the cozy vibes. So if you want to get like a pack of like really fuzzy, nice, cozy socks with a candle, maybe even a face mask, how awesome would that gift be? But for the men in your life, these socks were a steal. There are 5 socks in this one. These are Levi's socks, and these are Columbia socks, and there are 4 in this. I love the fact that they are in their own little boxes. They even have a place for you to write who it's to and who it's from, which is very nice. I think the men in our family are going to be very pleased with these. I will be pairing these off with another gift as well, but these alone make really, really good gifts, and they were both $10 a piece. And these socks are very, very good quality. And it says the normal price is $20, so comparing it to $20, you're saving 10 bucks when you're shopping at Burke's for these kind of things. So that is a great deal. These beanie and scarf sets are everything. I love the fact that this Jessica Simpson one comes with its own little gift box. So it has this little thing on the back, and it shows you exactly what to do and how to like fix it up. So you can actually put the scarf and the toboggan, beanie, whatever it is that you guys call it. I call it a toboggan, but you can put that inside of here, stick a bow on it, and that would be really cute, so you don't have to, you know, give it to them or put it in a bag like this. And this was just really, really cute. They had so many different color options and different styles. And the normal price for something like this is 30 bucks, but Burke's has it for $14.99. I just love this, and I love the little fringes and the pom-pom. I know I would love receiving this. You can get a lot of use out of it, and the colors are so cute. They also have a lot of options for men. This set is by Dockers, and it's normally 20 bucks, so you get it for $9.99 at Burke's. I did love this color combo, and that it has that little bit of like that brown leatheriness. That's like the Dockers logo, but very simple, not too, you know, frilly for a guy. The men in our family are, you know, men, and I don't even know if they would really wear a scarf. I'm crossing my fingers that the one that we got this for, that he actually will wear it, so fingers crossed, guys, that this actually goes across really well. But I think that this set was really nice. The dogs in our family are spoiled rotten. That is no secret. You guys know that. And when we buy Christmas gifts for our dogs, we don't only buy them for our dogs, but we buy them for our parents' dogs as well. So there is Rosie and Lady are our dogs, and then there's Dobby, and then there's Goldberg, which I call GB for short. So we wanted to make sure that we got all of them goodies, and of course, they're not gonna know. It's gonna take everything within me not to go ahead and give them these gifts. I'm gonna try my best to hold off. But this gift right here is one of my favorite things to get. Our Yorkie, that's Lady, she is not a huge fan of toys. She doesn't like a lot of toys, but she loves these itty bitty little squeaker toys. And the only ones that we found that she really likes are the ones that come along with these other like interactive toys. So you're going to take these off of here, and the whole idea is for you to stick all of them inside, and then your dog will play and pull each of them out. So normally what ends up happening is Rosie gets this big thing, whatever is housing the little toys, and then Lady gets all the little things inside. That's what they love doing that, so we're just gonna keep on with it. I think this is maybe a waffle. I'm not sure, but we just know that Lady absolutely loves these little toys, and these are little strawberries. They have so many different ones there. She has some chicken legs, she's got some cookies and milk. There's so many different options, but at Burke's you can get this for $6.99, and we know the dogs absolutely love this, and I think they're standing outside right now because they heard me squeak this strawberry. Here is a little monkey. We picked up this little monkey for my parents' dog. He loves little like furry toys, and he doesn't rip through things like Rosie does, so this is gonna be perfect for him. Because Rosie loves chewing on things, she's really good about only chewing on her toys, but she goes through toys very fast. So we've seen this at Burke's, and I thought this was really cool. It's called Red Alert, and what happens is once the dog has chewed to a certain point, you'll see a red core, which is going to notify you that it's time to throw that toy out and get a new one, which is very helpful because I never know exactly how much longer she needs to be chewing on something when it's time to be thrown out. So I think this was really, really cool, and it was only $3.49 at Burke's Outlet. Here is a wonderful gift idea for the beauty guru in your family. If they love putting on makeup, or they just like spending a little extra time in the mirror, maybe they need a new vanity mirror. This one has lights on it, and it has a marble stand. So you could get them this little Kenzie vanity mirror, and to go along with this, you could easily pair it with an eyeshadow palette. If you're not exactly sure what kind of eyeshadows that she loves, then maybe you could pair it along with some makeup brushes. Most of the time you can't go wrong with makeup brushes, so I think that would be really cute. Maybe you could get it in a little marble cup to go along with whatever the color of your mirror is. But this is a wonderful gift idea, and it was only $14.99. I love personalized gifts, and frames make it really easy to do that because you are able to print off a picture of whoever it is that you're giving the gift to and placing it in there. Maybe it's a picture of you and the person together sharing a really fun moment, something that you want to remember forever, for a lifetime, and this is a really great way to do that. All of me loves all of you. I thought this was really cute, and I love the fact that this doesn't have glass. It just has this little clip up here at the top, and you can easily remove the picture. Clothing is another incredibly affordable thing that you can find in their stores. My daddy is a fisherman. My daddy does not watch all of my videos here on YouTube, so it's fine. We're going to talk about him for a little bit. He loves fishing, and we thought that this would be perfect. It is a Columbia, yes, Columbia name brand item that you can find there, super affordable. The normal retail price is $65. It has the price here on the tag, But we paid $24.99, which is really, really good. So while he's out there on the water, living his best fisherman life, this is gonna be great. And it has so many different sizes and color options there too. I cannot wait to see what he thinks about this. No matter what you have on your wish list, I am pretty sure that Burkes has everything that you need for this holiday season. Make sure to head over to their website to see where your local Burkes outlet store is. You will thank me later. Me and my family have been shopping at Burkes for years. So this is so amazingly wonderful that Burkes reached out to partner this holiday season. I'm so excited for you guys to head on out to your local Burkes to do your holiday shopping. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have already done all of your holiday shopping yet, or if you're a last minute kind of gal like I normally am. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Merry Christmas! Bye!